The paper is full of ink residues from the cartridge, so we need to clean the drum from the residues. So we need to turn off the printer first, let it cool down, then we come back and remove the cartridge and clean the drum. Okay, now it cooled down, we can remove the cartridge. For detailed removal of the cartridge, you can see my previous video on replacing a new cartridge. So for this printer is very simple. Just open the top, then the cartridge is the green color one with a hole opening. You can insert your fingers here and just pull up. It will slide in the rail. So this is the cartridge along with the drum. So the drum is the heater that heats the ink, then print it on the paper. So some of the ink residues come in contact with the drum directly and dry off. So when you print a new paper, they will keep printing. This is only if the cartridge is old, or very common if it is not original. The ink, which is fine powder, can leak to the drum when there is no paper, so it drop directly to the drum and directly stick because of the hot drum surface. So how to open the drum? You see this blue handle here. So you push this blue handle, it clicks, opening the drum. So this is the cartridge where the ink is inside, and this is the drum. We can see the drum here. Okay, let's show you the cartridge and the ink. You see this roller is full of ink now. And this is the drum. You can rotate it. It has the gear for rotation from this side. So let's take a tissue and start cleaning the drum. So we can take a soft tissue. We can soak part of it in water to dissolve all the residues. You can see here there is a spot of ink, very clear here. You can see it here. This, when the drum rotates, it will keep printing on a certain distance, which is the circumference of this drum. So we need to rub off this spot. This is the major spot that we saw in the paper just now. Let me show you the paper. So this is the spot is repeating after each rotation of the drum, same spot here repeating. Then we have another spot beside it. So this can give you a clue where the dirt could be. You can see here many spots inside. So we start rubbing the surface with the wet end. And gradually rotating the drum. You can see lots of residues here on the tissue. You can repeat, you can soak with water as much as you need to remove the sticking ink on the surface. This surface is a Teflon surface, so it will not be scratched, but you need to use soft tissue. For ink to dissolve, it can dissolve easily with water. You don't need any dissolvents like alcohol or something. Just water would be more than enough to clean it. Let's take another dry tissue. Let's finish drying. You better rotate from the gear so you don't put some fingerprints there when it is ready. Now we're just drying. It's quite clean. So let's put back the cartridge. So you just place it directly here and push on these two handles here. You push down until it click in place. So these are the two handles. Now we slide back inside. These two pins here, we have one pin here and one pin here, should slide on the upper slot. You can see the details in my other video. Then you just push down until it clicks. Then that's all. You just close the cover. Now we can print one sample print and see how clean the paper will be. Okay, the paper is okay. We still have some very fine residues. We did the cleaning a bit in rush, but is much better than before. So if you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.